In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve a flawless taping extension, especially on a short natural hair. The hair we are using today is from Ywigs and it's a Yaki straight, so we got sent some few bundles. First, I'm just going to blow dry the hair. All the things that you need is going to be down the description below, and the hair as well. First, I'm just going to straighten the hair. If your hair is natural, just know that it has to be straightened to be able to achieve this beautiful hairstyle. I'm just going to just keep on straightening the hair. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I am a hairstylist in London, and I thank you for stopping by. First, I'm going to just get the hair. This is the hair that we are using today, and then we got 3 bundles. So she don't want her hair to be too full, and yeah, we are going to just do what she wants for her. This is a Yaki straight, so Yaki straight in around I think 22 inch, but everything will be down the description below. It's a taping extension. If you want to have like kind of a texture that is not too coarse, you use the Yaki straight. If not, you can use this one. This is the kinky. I really like this one. So it was 3 inside, and we are just going to start because I asked for like a different texture to just see how the hair is. First, this came with the pack, so when you buy the hair, you get like the clip, so you need to just clip the hair, and that's just to kind of place all the little hair in place. So this is the taping. So when you're using it, this is how to use it. Make sure you measure where you're putting it, and make sure the hair is like we don't want to take a lot of hair, so it just take tiny hair, okay? And then just open it, and don't put your hand on the tape, because I've done this so many times. So I'm going to show you the right way to do it. Don't put it to the scalp. If you put it too close, it will be too tight. Just like that. When you put it, take the comb, make sure it's a clean comb, and use it to just press the hair on top. So just take the second one like a sandwich, just put it on top exactly there, and use your hand to just like kind of make sure it's together. That's it. Anyone can do this. It's so easy. But I don't know if you can do it on yourself, but I know you can do it for your client. And now I'm going to take the second part. So this bag, I'm only using 2, okay? So I'm going to take you don't want to take too much hair, so take tiny hair, put it under, and use your comb like that to just make sure all the hair is like kind of is flat to it. I take the second one, clip in the place. So that's what we are just going to do. Our client, she wants her hair, because if you can see the front of her hair, like, you know, everybody have different face shape. So she just want, you see when we finish, you see how the hair is going to turn. So just make sure. So she wants to be able to raise the hair up, and everything looks so good. So we are just going to do the second line now. Now I've done like 5 pieces on it now. So if we say we count it in pieces, it's going to be 10, because like a sandwich, so it's like 5. We are going to take, so I've taken 2 lines at the back, because I know like this is trending. I love your friends can do it for you. Like you can just get your friend to just help you do it. So now this is the 3rd line, so you can see the hair that I'm taking. So don't forget this part, it has to be kind of small hair.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind.
Make sure your hand does not have oil, so you can put the comb like that and just use it. So I prefer to just put it with my hand, or you can use the comb. So just make sure like what I'm doing now, use the comb to just press it in. So I'm going to get the taping extension. I'm just going to, it was so fun doing it. So we are just going to take it like that and just place it there and just use your hands, okay?
Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound.
Now we're at the front now, so just look at the ear. So from the ear, take a little bit out that goes to the front. You're going to cover it a tiny piece, so just make sure your hand is not touching it like that. I'm just using my comb to just kind of make sure the hair stick to it. Get the second piece and just place it in place. This hair, don't worry, you see the finish is so beautiful. So now I'm just checking that everything is covered. So we are just going to just go like that. If you maybe you don't want it to be too full to come to your face, make sure you go like that first. So when I finish, you see what we did to it. So I'm just giving a little bit of space, because if I just put it straight like that, if you want the hair to be like super full, so just put everything straight line. But for her, she don't like full hair, so we are just taking it like that. Just look at it, it's tiny. Make sure all the hair are on top of the tape and just clip it in place. So how to remove this is simple, easy. Just get some they call it tape remover. You can get it from the shop and just can go to the shop to do it, or you can do it yourself. Just pour it like around the tape. It's really like, it's just easy to use, and you can carry it for up to like 2 months. So now we are just doing like where she wants to leave the parting. So we are just taking the parting. So this hair was sent to us by Ywigs, and is the king. So the one, just in case you're asking, the one we are using today is the Yaki straight. They have different types. All their product, they say wigs, weave on, everything is going to be down the description below. So you just, if you like it, go and check it out. So this particular one we are using today, it is the Yaki straight. I think in 22 or so. You can get it a little bit shorter. They have different length. And I'm just going to continue doing it. Now we are close to the front now. So first packet is finished. So now we are using the second pack. Can you believe like all those is just one pack? So now I'm using the second pack, just the same thing. And it was so fun to do. This hair literally took me like 40 minutes, apart from the straightening, 40 or 30 minutes to just put this in place. It was much easier than me doing like a sew-in for someone. It was really easy, and it was fun to do. So now you can see I'm a little bit, I'm kind of getting closer, because now I want the hair to be slightly fuller in the front, because she didn't want it too full. So I was just conscious. So now we are doing a side part. So if you're doing a side part, this is what you're going to do, because you know with the side part you have more hair on one of the side. So now I'm taking a piece from the side. So if you want to achieve exactly what we have, this is what you're going to do. So we are going to do like 2 or 3 just to come on the side, and we are going to just continue. Just going to do another line on the side again. So we've done one on the side, do one more. I think that should be fine. If you're doing a center, everything can be just the same. You don't need to do one side higher, but because this is a side, if you want it to look exactly like your hair, you have to follow it like that. So this part, just clip it, because you don't want the hair from the bottom to disturb you. Just hold it, that's how I put it. So sometimes you can push it forward if that's what you want, but this just work for me. So just work, and I get the other one. I just put it in place, use my hand to just make sure I push it together.
Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time.
the way the size I'm taking it is so small, so just take it like that. And if you like this hair, all the link to everything, the clip, the spray, the straighteners, everything will be in the description below. And I'm using the other part to just cover it like so. That's it. And we are just going to do the remaining one just like that. You can see we are kind of closer, and the client just like she was loving her hair.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you
Why I like taping so much, you can just walk with it. Just like sometimes when you have extension, there's a place you say, oh, can I put that? But with taping, you can just put to direct to any part that you want. You can see now we put there so that it can just fall to the side of her face, and everything would just look like the way she wants it. So she's just like, oh, I want it to come to the front. I want one side to come more to the front. So we just added some more extension there, and then that's it. So I was just making sure that she is happy, and you can see she's really happy with it. So now we are going to style it. So remember, this is a human hair, so Yaki straight, this is the one we use now. If your hair is more of a kinking, you can use the kinking. They have kinking as well. So now I'm just going into straighten the hair. So just straightening. She wanted like kind of a loose wave, so she doesn't want it too coily. So we're just going to give her some like bouncy wave here.
Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind. Close your eyes, follow the sound.
Don't forget to press the like button so that you can see more of our video. I've been so busy lately with the shop, with the everything. And I've done a lot of videos, so more videos that we are going to be posting soon, and I can't wait for you to learn. So we're just doing some baby hair there. She's like, oh, I don't want no baby hair on this side. I'm like, oh, sorry. So we are just going into like, she's just like, oh, this is how I want it. One thing I like listening to my customers. Like, I actually love it. I know some people will think, oh, don't tell me what to do, but as a stylist, listen. And so that sometimes they can just put you through as well. So the side now, she wanted it to have a little bit of volume and to flick away from her face. That's exactly what we did for her. And this is it. She was happy. She was like excited. Thank you, Ywigs, for sending us this beautiful hair. And she was excited. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. And it's just 2 bundles. So we used 2. If you want it fuller than this, you can get yourself 3 bundles. All the link of this hair is going to be down in the description. And the hair is from Ywigs. We are using the Yaki straight natural color in 1B. And the length, everything is going to be down in the description below. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell, and I can't wait to see you in our next video. Bye for now.